getting some kind of sick sexual thrill off this, aren't you? Let's see. Where do you think you'll go? Dirty, dirty girl.
With Jim Carrey, and they're both smoking.
Here, Will. Victory is mine!
Hey, everything okay in there? I heard shouting.
24 months in prison, eh? Unacceptable. It's not so much that I want to kill her. It's just, I want her not to be alive anymore.
Oh my God! Shut up, maggot! Ah, I broke a damn blood vessel! Hey.
Oh, hello, Brian. Well, you recall my complaining about Lois and the fat man?
Yeah?
Yes, well, you said I didn't have it in me to kill Lois, so I was just running a simulation to find out exactly how killing her and taking over the world would play out for me.
Yeah? How'd that go?
Not well, Brian. Not well. I suppose I'm not ready to kill Lois or take over the world. Yet.
So what you're saying is that what you experienced in the simulation didn't really happen or even matter.
Yes, that's correct.
So it was sort of like a dream.
No, it was a simulation.
Yes, but theoretically, if someone watched the events of that simulation from start to finish, only to find out that none of it really happened, I mean, you don't think that should be just like a giant middle finger to them?
Well, hopefully they would have enjoyed the ride.
I don't know, man. I think you piss a lot of people off that way.
Well, at least it didn't end like The Sopranos, where it just cut to black in mid-sentence.